Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the phone unfolded and ready. Open the first app you want to use. This becomes the top/left window. Once the app is open, tap Recent or swipe up to access Multitasking. Make sure the second app is visible in your Recents or App drawer so you can add it quickly. You're beginning the split screen now. Do this promptly so the system lays out the dual-pane workspace without extra navigation. Once you've got the first app ready, tap its app icon in Recent to reveal a menu, then pick Open in Split Screen view. You can also drag that app to the top or left of the screen. After the first pane locks in place, pick the second app from Recents or the App drawer, tap it, and it will occupy the remaining pane. This method gives you control over which app takes which pane, so you can arrange productivity or media apps side by side. You're almost done. Adjust the divider to resize panes and optimize content. If you need one app in a pop-up, tap its title and choose Pop-up View. To exit, drag the divider fully to an edge or tap the X on the app card. If split screen doesn't appear, force close the apps, restart the phone, or briefly fold and unfold the Z Fold 7 to reset the window manager. Doing that usually fixes layout hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.